Making everyone happy is our #1 priority, so when someone takes the time and writes us an awesome 5-star review, complimenting our great service, we'd love to share it. Here's what they had to say. This is exactly why we try so hard to satisfy everyone we meet. When we receive glowing reviews like this one, it helps us know we're fulfilling our commitment to provide a first-class experience. 5-star experiences are great, and our goal is to keep earning those reviews. Let us prove to you why we deserve your 5-star rating. Thanks for watching. We look forward to working with you. Call us today at the number on your screen. Have a nice day.